You are watching Today in History Season 1.
April 29.
This day in history is symbolic, and I am going to tell you why.
On April 29, 1429, Joan of Arc arrives to relieve the siege of Orleans. On April 29, 1864, Theta Xi fraternity is founded at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute, the only fraternity to be founded during the American Civil War. On April 29, 1903, a 30 million cubic meter landslide killed 70 people in Frank in the district of Alberta, Canada. On April 29, 1910, the Parliament of the United Kingdom passes the People's Budget the first time in British history with the expressed interest of redistributing wealth among the British public. On April 29, 1916, during the World War I, the UK's 6th Indian Division surrenders to Ottoman forces at the Siege of Kut, in one of the largest surrenders of British forces to that point. On April 29, 1944, during World War II, British agent Nancy Wake, a leading figure in French resistance and the Gestapo's most wanted person, parachutes back into France to be a liaison between London and the local Marquis group. On April 29, 1945, during World War II, Operation Manna was carried out as a humanitarian food drops carried out to relieve a famine in German-occupied Netherlands, undertaken by Allied bomber crews during the final days of World War II in Europe. On April 29, 1945, during World War II, the Captain class fugitive HMS Goodall K479 is torpedoed by U-286 outside the Kola Inlet, becoming the last Royal Navy ship to be sunk in the European theatre of World War II. On April 29, 1945, Adolf Hitler marries his longtime partner Eva Braun in a Berlin bunker and designates Admiral Karl Dönitz as his successor. Hitler and Braun both commit suicide the following day. On April 29, 1945, Dachau concentration camp is liberated by United States troops. On April 29, 1946, the International Military Tribunal for the Far East convenes and indicts former Prime Minister of Japan Hideki Tojo and 28 former Japanese leaders for war crimes. On April 29, 1953, the first US experimental 3D television broadcast showed an episode of Space Patrol on Los Angeles ABC affiliate KECA TV. On April 29, 1965, the Pakistan Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Commission (SUPARCO) successfully launches its 7th rocket in its Rehbar series. On April 29, 1968, the controversial musical Hair, a product of the hippie counterculture and sexual revolution of the 1960s, opened at Biltmore Theatre on Broadway, with some of its songs becoming anthems to the anti-Vietnam War movement. On April 29, 1974, United States President Richard Nixon announces the release of edited transcripts of White House tape recordings related to the Watergate scandal. On April 29, 1986, a fire at the Central Library of City of Los Angeles Public Library damages or destroys 4 lakh books and other items. On April 29, 1986, American and European spy satellites capture the ruins of the 4th reactor at the Chernobyl power plant. On April 29, 1991, a cyclone strikes the Chittagong district of southeastern Bangladesh with winds of around 155 miles per hour, 249 km per hour, killing at least 138,000 people and leaving as many as 10 million homeless. On April 29, 1991, a 7.0 magnitude Racha earthquake affects Georgia with a maximum Medvedev-Sponheim-Karnik scale intensity of 9, destructive, killing 270 people. On April 29, 1997, the Chemical Weapons Convention of 1993 enters into force, outlawing the production, stockpiling and use of chemical weapons by its signatories. On April 29, 2011, the wedding of Prince William and Catherine Middleton takes place at Westminster Abbey in London. On April 29, 2015, a baseball game between the Baltimore Orioles and the Chicago White Sox sets the all-time low attendance mark for the Major League Baseball. 0 fans were in attendance for the game as the stadium was officially closed to the public due to the 2015 Baltimore protests.
So that's all for today. See you tomorrow.